Hello folks, we take up the miscellaneous exercise chapter 1 and this is our part 1 video. The miscellaneous exercise is quite complicated and the problems what we have seen in the earlier exercises, problems are pretty different. It's not like how we have seen it in the exercise. So we have to give a lot of thought to what it comes up like. So let's read this question number 1. How many words with or without meaning, each of 2 vowels and 3 consonants, can be formed from the letters of the word daughter? So 2 vowels and 3 consonants you have to use, and the word that you are taking up is daughter, such that from the letters of the word daughter. Okay, now the question is pretty different, pretty complicated, and using many things like all this time how we used to do our word building questions were whatever questions they would give us the alphabets and they would ask us to find out words with or without meaning, or from this word take the alphabets from this word and make a 4-letter word, 5-letter word. From there directly you make it. Here it's not like that. They give you the word, that means they give you the choice, and from here you have to select 4 vowels and you have to select 2 vowels and 3 consonants. That means the selection has to be made by a combination. After you have selected, you would be having the 5 alphabets with you. Now with this 5 alphabet you have to form a word. So the 5 alphabets in the 5 places can be arranged by a permutation. So there you have to bring in the permutation also, and for selection you have to use a combination also. We have never done this problem before, this kind of problem before, where we make a choice and then we form a word. We have not done that. Already choice is given, you just form a word. That's what we have done. So here making a choice, then forming a word, that is why permutation and combination both are coming. So we'll gradually see how to do it. Daughter. This word has got how many vowels? It has got 3 vowels and it has got automatically 5 consonants. Yeah, it has got 5 consonants. So the 2 vowels can be chosen in 3C2 ways and the 3 consonants can be chosen in 5C3 ways. After having chosen it, you have got the 5 alphabets with you. The 5 alphabets in the 5 places can be arranged in 5P5 ways. That way you get the total number. So this is how gradually we are going to go about doing our work with both permutation and combination. So here the 2 vowels are selected out of 3 vowels and 3 consonants are selected out of 5. Therefore, number of ways of doing this. It is 3C2, 5C3. Then also, having got the 5 alphabets, they are filled in the 5 places So number of ways of doing this: is 5P5. Therefore, total number of ways of forming this word. Required word is 5P5 into 3C2 into 5C3. NPN, do we remember what it was? It's 5 factorial, yeah. This is 5 factorial. This is 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 1 factorial, and this is now 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. This can get cut. And 5 factorial into 2 if you want, then 3, 4, 5 when we have it like 2 factorial into like that, and therefore this 2 factorial is cut. You don't have anything here. This is 120 if we remember. 5 2 is 10. So 120 into 3 is 360 and the 10. So 3600 ways are the number of ways in which you can form this number. Right, that alphabet that they say can be formed in 3600 ways. That's about this part 1. Now you take the question 2. Let's see what it says. How many words with or without meaning can be formed by using the letters of the word equation at a time so that the vowels and consonants occur together? You have the vowels and the consonants occurring together. That's how the word is formed. Out of this equation, you have the vowels and consonants occurring together. You don't have any other condition that's being put over here. So let's find out the vowels and consonants here. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels. 3 consonants. So there are 5 vowels and 3 consonants, and then you have to have them coming together. We have learnt in the earlier problems itself where they have to come together. We fuse them together and we form a single unit out of it. So you have a vowel unit now, you will have a vowel unit and you have a consonant unit. You know how many ways they can be in turn arranged, that we know. So that is there with us. Now the vowel and consonant, they are now together, and so you have got these 2 units, vowel unit and consonant unit. Since they can be together, you can have vowel consonant or consonant vowel, that way. So they can be themselves arranged in 2 ways and their internal combinations. That's how it is going to happen. So we will say that the 5 vowels are fused together to form a vowel unit. So also we have a consonant unit. In the vowel unit, the 5 vowels can be arranged in 5 places. And in the consonant, 3 consonants can be arranged in 3 places. Therefore, number of ways of forming vowel, consonant unit is 5p5, 3p3. The VC or CV pair can happen. So number of ways of forming the pair is 2. Therefore, total number of ways of forming the word is 2 into 5p5 into 3p3. Earlier I said 5p5 5 factorial, 3p3 3 factorial. So 5 factorial into 3 factorial, and this I think we know 120, this we know is 6. So 12 into 12, 1440. That's it. Number of ways of forming this is 1440. Quite tricky, and we have not done these kind of problems earlier, so we have to give it special thought to get into the working of these kind of problems. That's about this. The remaining we'll be taking up in the next part. Thank you.